Hello, this is Brandon Williams, Training Manager for the Anchorage affiliate of the National Alliance on Mental Illness, or NAMI. Today, I am going to show you how to get back into your already completed permanent fund dividend application and add a Pick.Click.Give donation. It's pretty simple. Let's take a look. Go ahead and open up your web browser. Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Firefox should all do fine. You can either search for the Alaska PFD site, or you'll see the link right here, or you can just go straight to pfd.alaska.gov. Boom, right there. So when you get to the permanent fund dividend page, you'll see a big green button on the side right here that says add or change your Pick.Click.Give donation. So that's where we're going to go since you have already completed your permanent fund dividend. If you have not completed it, go ahead and just go to apply online link and you can start from there, and you'll also see an option to add to Pick.Click.Give there. But for those of you that have already completed, go ahead and click right here. It's going to ask you to acknowledge that you are who you claim to be and that you have a right to be editing this permanent fund dividend. And then it's going to ask you for your information here so that you can access your already completed application. So go ahead and put your information in, and I will do that. Okay, so we put in our information, and now we are inside the PFD Information Center for, in this case, Francine Harbor, who works here at NAMI Anchorage and was kind enough to let us use her application. So you're going to see your application history right here, or your current application right here. So this is your 2014 application, and in order to edit the application itself, you need to click on this link here. So 2014 application, application details, and this number link will bring you inside the actual application. So you click inside of that, and then you'll see information about this year's permanent fund and when it's to be dispersed, and that you're eligible. But what we're looking for is, again, this big green button right here that says add or change your Pick.Click.Give donation. Click on that, and here we get inside the Pick.Click.Give program. And now I have a couple options here. We can either do a search by city and service. So if you want to search for particular services in your area of Alaska, that's a great way to do that. Search entire organization list. So if you just want to flip through it and see everyone that's a part of Pick.Click.Give, that's a great way to go through that. Or if you know the name of the organization you want to donate to, then this first box is going to be your best option. So as you start typing in here, it'll give you suggestions, and here we get it narrowed down to our NAMIs, and we're going to use NAMI Anchorage as an example for the sake of this training video. So what you're going to do is, once you find an organization, you're actually going to click Add Pledge right here, and then it's going to bring anyone that you add pledge to down to the step 2, which is select a pledge amount. So if you wanted to add another organization, you could do that up here, and you can add just about unlimited organizations to donate to from your Pick.Click.Give from your permanent fund dividend. But for the sake of this training, we're just going to use the one to show you how it's done. So we're going to go down now to step 2, click a pledge amount. So we have our organization, NAMI Anchorage, and then you select in increments of 25 how much you want to donate, and you can donate up to your full amount if you wanted to. But we're going to do, let's say, $100. It's a pretty generous donation here. So now you've set up to donate $100 out of your donation here, and this will show you the remainder of your permanent fund that you have to donate. Now down here you have to select whether you want to remain anonymous or release your information. Remaining anonymous will mean people on the organization's end, so us here at NAMI Anchorage, we would just see that we received a $100 donation from Pick.Click.Give and nothing else. Or if you want to release information, it would give us just your name and information so that we could acknowledge you. And what we normally do at NAMI is send a little thank you card, just saying we appreciate your Pick.Click.Give donation. Basically all you're going to get there. So that's your choice either way. And then the really important part to remember for Pick.Click.Give is you got to hit submit changes. Even if you do all this stuff here, it's not going to be saved unless you click on the submit changes button. So submit changes, it'll bring you back here, and now you'll see on this right side the payment breakdown. You'll see right here that it says $100 going to NAMI Anchorage, total pledges $100. And now that you've hit that submit changes button, you are all set, and your permanent fund has been changed to give a donation through Pick.Click.Give. And that's about it. If you ever want to get back in and change it or edit it, then until the closure date of permanent fund dividend, you're able to get back in and change it using those same steps, going through this big green button, add or change your Pick.Click.Give donation. So happy donating.